I see you in my world. It's colorful again. It's colorful. All in blue. All in blue. Wild like springtime. Wild like spring. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Tell me, what do you see? Tell me everything. And you'll hear.
Palangga. Palangga naman. Yeah, Palangga. As I look you 18 years ago, when I first saw you, I thought it was just an admiration. But every time you pass by, my secret feelings for you grow day by day. Since it was my first time to court someone, I did not know what to do. But I decided to wait for you. Thank you for being the best wife and a mother to Sia and Gab. Yes, you are beautiful, generous, and kind. You are loving, caring to us. But drawing me closer to God was the most beautiful.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. And you'll hear my world be made from shade to gray. And you'll hear the night is come and all my dreams.
Years ago, that was 8 years of our relationship as BF and GF when we decided to become husband and wife. That time, I was not able to give you a celebration of our love as what bride expect for your husband to do so. But still, you accepted me and loved me without any conditions.
In the name of God, I, Anna May, take you, Irish, to be my husband, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better, for worse, for richer, for poorer, in sickness and in health, to love and to cherish, till death do us part. Irish, my love, for almost 10 years since we got married, or shall I say, since you came in my life, 18 years ago, I have loved you unconditionally.
Wow.
I don't know why 18 years ago, during my 15th birthday, I prayed to the Lord about you. At that time, I didn't pray that God will give you to me instantly. I just prayed that whoever He is and whatever He does, God will guide and protect him and put him in the crown of success. And so, we decided to celebrate and renew our vows. And I know it will be more meaningful this time because we were able to celebrate it with our two angels. I know it is not just a celebration, but it is the fulfillment of God's purpose in our relationship. There are too many qualities you have that I cannot bear to live without. And today, I am proud to say that you truly are the answer to my prayer. I did not look for you, God did. I just prayed for you because I knew God will find you. And God is faithful because He gave me more than what I prayed for. Hamba ko sa iya, Lord, please prepare me a kind-hearted man na mingin best friend and partner ko for life.